Decorating Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. And I hope you decide to stick around and subscribe to my channel. I'm going on another Rae Dunn hunt today. I have so much fun hitting TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Home Goods. I know lately there's been a lot of stuff on the shelves, so I'm anxious to see what's on the shelves for Easter. So let's go on this Rae Dunn hunt and let's go shopping.
It's easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches heels. I'm not pretending, I'm born like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. It's trouble in your mind how I spend my time, but it's a 24-hour streak. Wasting all your thoughts just to criticize, but there are plenty more ways to think. I'm not pretending, I'm more like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. Don't be such a stranger, tell me how you're feeling. You know I don't have to live inside your frames, boy. It's such a funny way to tell me what you search in life. Well, I'm a mad woman, sorry I don't compromise. Mad woman, mad woman. Keep calling me a mad woman. Boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break it. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. make it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break in. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Just take a hint, you got a free pass. Oh, try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games? No, there's no denying what we want. Just watch me break in. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I've been waiting all my life for someone like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted and blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love. Crazy for love. Whenever lost, whenever down, you know what to do. There's no mountain I won't climb to be right by your side, right by your side. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel like
Well, I want to share with you guys what I got on this Rae Dunn hunt today. Now, some of the items are not redone, but they're super cute not to share with you. Some of the items I got at Hobby Lobby online. So let me share with you guys the items that are not Rae Dunn. I'm going to start off with, I think, TJ Maxx. I picked up this little lemon tree. I think this is really, I love it. I'm going to do lemons on my coffee bar. Now, this was priced at $12.99. So that's going to look really nice on my coffee bar. And I also have like a little plate that has lemons on it that I'm going to use. And let's see. This I got over at TJ Maxx, this little dish towel. It's got lemons on it. It says, when life gives you lemons, make limoncello. So I had to look that up because it's an alcohol drink. I guess they use lemons and sugar with alcohol. I don't drink. I mean, sometimes I'll have a beer. My only drink that I do like is a margarita. I love those. But anyways, now I know what this is. And I've heard it when it says, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. But this one says limoncello, and it's Italian. So I got that. That's going to drape over my coffee bar. And let's see, anything else from TJ Maxx? No, because it's going to be Rae Dunn. So this is going to be from Hobby Lobby. I got the little bee to go on my coffee bar to go along with my little lemon display. This was priced at $2.79. And then I picked up these adorable little dish towels for Easter. They have the little buffalo check with the little bunny and the little black bow. These were priced at, I think they are priced at $9.99. I got them for $5.99, so let's just say $6. And it came with a little pot holder. It's got the little bunnies on this side, and then the other side is buffalo check. Purchased 2 of them to go in my kitchen on my stove because I do have the buffalo check napkins in my kitchen, so I definitely love those. And then to go along with that, it matches, is the table runner. Super cute. I love the buffalo check. It's gonna match, like I said, the buffalo check curtains that are in my kitchen. And then that was priced at $17.99. I got that for around $10. And then I definitely needed some new candle ring holders out there on the foyer. I have these really nice rustic candlestick holders that I want to use these on. And these were priced at $2.99 from Hobby Lobby. Got 2 of them. And then I also purchased the garland I can use on the foyer table. Now this was priced at $19.99. It was half off, so it cost me around $10 for this. And we'll see, I haven't tried this yet, but I'll probably put it out there on the foyer table and make a little display. And then let me share with you guys this little cake stand. This came from Nordstrom's Rack. I guess it's like Nordstrom's, but it's a discounted store, I guess. They call it Nordstrom's Rack. I've been looking all over for a little white cake stand with the top. And I checked on Walmart's website and they were out of them. But anyways, I picked this one up. It's a little smaller than what I was expecting. I think I paid just under $20 for this. Like I said, it was a little small. I was expecting something bigger, but it's hard, like I said, when you shop online, sizes, because again, I'm so guilty of not checking the sizes of the items that I buy. And then these are really cute. These are so realistic looking. These little muffins here. These came from Amazon, and I just looked just a little while ago. Now you can get free shipping on these, and you do get 6 of them. I only have 3 that'll fit on here. You can get all 6 of them, and they're priced at $13.59. I just saw them on Amazon, free shipping. And I'm gonna use these out in the kitchen and put the little lid on there and put this in one of my displays. I just love this. And then I think that's everything that I got that's not Rae Dunn. So let me share with you what I did find. Now, I wanted to ask you guys, how many of you guys have noticed the amount of Rae Dunn that's been on the shelves lately? I don't know, there's no shortage, it seems like to me. It seems like they're overrunning the stores with tons of stuff. So anyways, I did haul these once before, but I wanted to tell you that my store had a ton of these Happy Easter eggs. And then they also had the Happy Spring. And I did put a different bow on it because I was going to put this on my coffee bar. This one says Happy Spring. And in the video, my Rae Dunn hunt that I was doing, one of the clips showed, I've seen a bunch of these. So my husband found these a while back, and of course you buy it thinking, oh, I'm never gonna see these again, better snag it. But I'm telling you, how many of you guys noticed that your stores have a lot of Rae Dunn? I was in there, I saw the blankets, the Bunny Love blankets. I've seen tons of canisters. I've seen a lot of these little eggs. I just thought the stores had a ton of stock of Rae Dunn Easter stuff. So I got those eggs. Now I'm not sure how I'm going to display them yet. Like I said, I really don't know. And then I saw this. Somebody else hauled one of these. I just love this stack books like this. Now this is like wood. And it's Rae Dunn. It says Happy Easter. I love this, but I'm going to use it on my coffee bar, and I'm just going to turn it around. I'm going to put my little lemon little tree here. I'm going to put my little bee right here, and it's going to look really adorable on my coffee bar. And then the other things I couldn't pass up, because I'm not ready to start Easter yet on my coffee bar. I'm going to just do more spring for now. I found this mug here. It says Happy Spring, all in yellow, which I love. I haven't seen these before. Now, this does have a little blemish on it, so I'm probably going to return it. And it's inside is yellow, and these are $5.99. I only found the one Happy Spring, but then I found 2 of the Peep Peeps. They're cute. All yellow. I love the color. Again, $5.99. I did find 2 of them, so I'll keep these. And when I decorate for Easter, I'll definitely put these on the coffee bar. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this Rae Dunn Hunt and Haul. And until next time, happy decorating.